Okay, so hopefully you got the same thing I did. The area to the left of the z-score 2.17. There's 2.17. Here's the area to the left. I looked it up on the z-table. Here's 2.17. There it is, 9.850. I also did it on the calculator. The starting point is negative infinity. The stopping point is 2.17. The mean is 0. Standard deviation is 1.98. Now this says 49. We got 50. Well, the number to the right of this is a number bigger than 5. So the 9 changes to a 0, which makes the 4 change to a 5. So 0.9850. That is not what I wanted. This. So that's what we got for the answer. Okay, how is this one different? Oh, I forgot to start my timer. Good grief, I cannot get it together. Okay, so the area under the normal curve to the right. So here we go. This one, it's different because they want not to the left. They didn't ask for the cumulative area. They asked for the area to the right. Cumulative area is always going to be to the left because we read it from left to right. If they want if they want something different, they'll have to change their wording. So this says to the right of 1.06. So 1.06 is going to be just a smidge beyond number 1. So this right here is going to be a z-score of 1.06. And we want this area right here. Okay, I'm going to do the calculator first because it makes more sense. And then I'll show you how to use the z-table. The calculator is super easy. We have a starting place, we have a stopping place, and we have a mean and a standard deviation. So, menu 652, our starting place. In this particular situation, our starting place is right here because we always read it from left to right. So we start our shading right here at 1.06. So we're going to do 1.06. And the upper bound is going to be positive infinity. So that's 9EE999. Standard deviation, mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. Tab, tab, tab. Press OK, and we get 0.1445. That 5 is going to round up to a 6. 0.1446. 0.1446. So this area right here is 0.1446. My dog is wanting attention. Go away, baby. 0.1446. Okay, so that's using the calculator. And of course, we would say the area to the right of z equals 1.06 is 0.1446. Okay, that's one way to write the answer. The other way to write the answer is the probability of z being greater than 1.06 is 0.1446. Now, can you use the z-table to get this? Yes, you can. But you have to remember that the z-table only gives you areas to the left. So if you go look up z equals 1.06 on your table, you are not going to get this number. You're going to get 1.06. So let me do this and I'll change the color. So 1.0, all of those are 1.0, and then 1.06. So there's the number right there. It is 0.8554. So what we get right for this area right here is 0.8554. 0.8554. I think that's what that said, wasn't it? 0.8554. Okay, so how do we get this number from this number? Okay, so the area to the left of the curve is 0.8554. Well, remember, what's the area underneath the entire curve is 1. So to find this using the z table, you can do 1 minus 0.8554. And that should give you this number right here. So let's see, 1 minus 0.8554. And that's going to give you 0.1446. And 0.1446 is what we got on the calculator, 0.1446. Okay, so if you want to find the area to the right, you do 1 minus the area to the left, or you just use the calculator, okay? So find the area under the curve to the right of negative 2.16. So negative 2.16 is going to be somewhere over here. We want this area over here, okay? So we're going to find this area on the z-score. Let me make sure you understand that z right there is negative 2.16. So you go look up negative 2.16, negative 2.1. Let's do negative 2.1 right there, and 2.16 is right there. So this is the number 0.0154. This area right here is 0.0154. So this area is 1 minus 0.0154. So the probability that z is greater than negative 2.16 is 1 minus 0.0154. 1 minus 0.0154. And that's going to be 0.9846. 0.98, what was it, 46. And again, we're going to use the calculator. Starting place is negative 2.16. Stopping place is over here at positive infinity. So starting place, menu, 6, 5, 2. Starting place is negative 2.16. Stopping place is positive infinity. So 9EE999. Z-score, standard deviation. Press OK. And we got 0.9846. Okay, on the very last video, we are going to do between, and I'll be back in just a minute.